Imagine a place where the sky is alive, where thunder roars like an angry beast, where lightning dances across the clouds almost every night. Now imagine this happening not once, not twice, but 300 nights every year. This place is real. It's not a movie. It's not magic. It's Lake Maracaibo in Venezuela, and it holds the title of the most electric place on Earth, the lightning that never stops. In a small corner of the world, lightning flashes across the sky again and again, sometimes over 100 times every single minute. It's so bright, so strong, and so constant that people once used it as a natural lighthouse. Even pirates sailing the Caribbean could see it from the sea, guiding them to land. Scientists call it Relámpago del Catatumbo, or Catatumbo lightning. Locals call it a gift from the gods. Others call it eternal fire in the sky. Whatever you call it, one thing is clear. This place is unlike anywhere else on Earth. A giant bowl of storms. Lake Maracaibo isn't just a lake. It's a giant shallow bowl connected to the Caribbean Sea. It's surrounded by huge mountains, the Andes, which trap warm, moist air inside the basin. Here's what happens. During the day, the sun heats up the lake. Water rises into the air, hot, heavy, and full of energy. At night, cold air comes rushing down from the mountains. The warm and cold air crash into each other. Boom! Storms explode in the sky. Clouds build higher and higher. Electricity begins to crackle. And then lightning. Over and over again. More lightning than anywhere else. There are many stormy places on Earth, but none are like Lake Maracaibo. Lightning strikes here up to 300 nights a year. Some nights, there are more than 40 strikes every minute. That's over 1 million bolts of lightning every year, just in this one area. Satellite images from space show the lake glowing with light, like it's alive. In fact, NASA and the World Meteorological Organization gave it the official title, the lightning capital of the world. Is it magic or science? So why does this happen? Is it magic? No, but it feels magical. The real answer is science. It's a perfect storm of four things. Warm water from the lake, cold winds from the mountains, high humidity. The air is full of moisture, air currents crashing together. When these things mix, the sky becomes unstable. The clouds build, and electricity fills the air like a loaded gun. Some scientists also believe methane gas from nearby oil fields might help. Methane rises into the air, and it might make the lightning stronger. But even without the gas, the natural ingredients are already enough to create the most powerful lightning show on Earth. The sky's light bulb, for thousands of years. This lightning isn't new. It's been going on for centuries, maybe even thousands of years. Old tribes, like the Wayuu, believed the lightning was a message from the sky gods. They made stories about it, songs, ceremonies. To them, it was not just weather, it was a spirit watching over the lake. For sailors long ago, it was a guiding light. You could be hundreds of kilometers away and still see the lightning flashing in the distance, always in the same place. To this day, some call it the Lighthouse of Maracaibo. It's not powered by electricity. It doesn't need fuel, and it never goes out. Tourists, cameras, and thunder hunters. People from all over the world travel to Lake Maracaibo to see the lightning. They come with cameras, with drones, with boats. They sit in the dark, eyes pointed at the sky. And suddenly, the night explodes with light. Photographers wait all year just to catch a single shot. Scientists set up instruments to record the flashes. Filmmakers use it in documentaries. And tourists just stare in silence, mouths open, as the sky becomes a living storm. There are even guided night tours on small boats, where you float under the storms and watch the bolts crack across the sky like angry fingers of fire. What it means for the planet. The Catatumbo lightning isn't just beautiful, it's important. Every time lightning flashes, it creates a gas called ozone. Ozone helps protect the Earth from the sun's dangerous rays. Lake Maracaibo storms create more ozone than almost any other place on Earth. In a way, this lightning helps keep our atmosphere clean. The lake is also full of life. Birds, fish, trees, swamps, and strange creatures all live in this electric world. Some animals have even adapted to the constant storms. Nature has found a way to live with the lightning, to grow in it, to depend on it, a warning for the future. But this lightning may not last forever. As climate change affects the planet, even this powerful place could change. If it gets too dry, the storms might stop. If the air changes too much, the perfect balance could be lost. And if the lake is damaged by pollution or oil drilling, the lightning may disappear. Scientists are watching closely, because this lake is like a natural alarm bell, warning us of how fragile the world's weather systems really are. A storm that never sleeps. So now, picture again. The lake, the mountains, the dark night sky. Then crack. A lightning bolt slices through the clouds. Then another, and another. The sky becomes white with light. Thunder rolls across the land. And above it all, the air hums with the sound of pure energy. This is Lake Maracaibo, a place where the storm never truly ends, where the night sky tells ancient stories, and where, even in the darkest hours, the heavens are always alive. Want to know more about the world you live in? Subscribe for more.